guys, this is V and welcome to the channel. Now, in my previous video, I show you me flipping this credenza right here. Actually, it's a bookshelf. It has the door to it. It was this color right here. Bought it from the thrift store. I think I paid $50 for it. And it sits about 7 feet in the air. And I told you I wanted to fit in this area right here. I was going to build a wall. And now that I found this piece that is 8 feet wide by, I think, 7 feet tall. And I wanted to put it in this area. I told you that I framing this for this to fit because the framing of this, I think, is like 12. The framing of this here, I think it's like 12 feet, either 12 or 13 feet in the air. So I decided to add height to this so it could fit in the frame, so it could act as a wall. So I use these planks right here. I'm thinking they 8 by something. I don't know the proper measurement. It's just what I have is scrap wood I got from Lowe's. I use these L brackets to hold them together. And these L brackets come 4 in a pack from Lowe's. And I use regular drywall screws like these for the top part. I use shorter screws for here because I didn't want the screws to go projected, and it came protruding, and it came in the package with these. So I figure out, wow, I want to add wheels to this. I want this to act like a wall, but then there's just extra height that I built. So I'm like, why not use this as storage? Because I am actually going to put sheetrock in the back of this for this to act as a wall. This is the front of it. This is the front of it. It has this beautiful details. It's not finished painted. And I'm going to add glass shelf. This was the shelf that came with it. But I'm going to add glass shelf to it. And I figure, why not add a bottom? Well, I had to add the bottom in order to put the wheels on. So this is the space that this now creates. And I'm like, I would hate for all of this space to go to waste. Because, in the decor community, we like space because we come with a lot of stuff. So I was able to create, let's see, how many inches? I was able to create just about, I'll say, but 6 more inches. No, that's 6 more inches. 6 more inches of space that I could store stuff in here. Look at this. This is it open, and this is it closed. Already cut the other piece of wood for it already. And I was thinking to go to my restore and buy the skinny cabinet door. But when I went to my restore today, this is what I found at my thrift store. 1 second. This right here, that is used for a jacuzzi. I think that's what they use this for. Like a jacuzzi opening. And this was $8. So I figure, why not put a door down here to that once I flip this piece over, this is on its top. Once I flip this piece over, I'll be able to use this as storage. I think that's a posh idea. What you think? So Now that I put the lift on it, let me show you my wheels. So I went to Lowe's and I purchased these wheels right here. This wheel is supposed to hold, I think, 250 pounds. And I bought 6 of them. And what I plan to do is put on either side, put an area, put one on either side, and then in the middle I'm going to put one without the lock. But I don't want this to be visible, so I have this piece of board right here. Don't know what's the real purpose of it, but I got it from the thrift store, and I'm going to use this to frame this up. So I will cover that raw wood. That's what this here is for. So I'm going to come back and show you like how far that I've gotten, because honestly, I'm making this up as I go. In the beginning, I didn't know what I was doing. All I know, I wanted height. So now I make height and extra storage. And now I'm about to like put mold in and all of that on it, so it could be a cohesive piece. So, let me show you again. Where did I put this? Let me show you how. One second. So I have to finish this side here. I put the wood. I cut this piece right here to make to just box it out like this. And all of this is scrap wood. Then now, this is some of the molding. Not molding. This is actually baseboard that I'm going to use. First, I'm going to put this white piece on it first. And then I'm going to come in with the baseboard like this. And to make it professional looking. So let me go ahead and work on this, and then I'll show you. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. It helps the channel, and I appreciate you all for watching.